approval process for the service procurement. So whenever you create a service entry sheet, it has to go for some approval process. This is the business requirement. So decide first in which criteria you want to set the release procedure or release strategy for the service entry sheet. So criteria here I selected is the values. So in which these values service entry sheet done, and it has to go for the different level of approval. So I created create characteristics for this, what is the criteria, and in an additional tab, maintain the communication structure for the release for service entry sheet, CESSR, and the field. Okay, and in the basic data, selected multiple values and intervals allowed. This is very, very important. And the company code currency. Then assign these characteristics to the class GL02. Okay. Okay. Once you've done this assignment of class to the characteristics, then come to the configuration. In configuration, SPR2 materials management, external service management, define release procedure for service entry sheet. Here, first you have to create the, in the group, you have to assign the class which you created. Then the release code, the approval levels, you have to link to the groups. Then maintain release indicator for one for releaser and one for blocker. And create a release strategy. I created 4 release strategy. Okay. Double click here. You will find it. Release prerequisite, release status. If all 4 released, it is one for release. Otherwise, it is blocked. Okay. Save it, and you come back. So now you create a PO and create a service entry sheet. System will trigger the release strategy. So I created the PO. This is a service PO. Now I will go and create the service entry sheet. Take out ML81. Create. And save. Service entry sheet is created, but you want to release it. You have to release because the release strategy is triggered for level. Okay, because the value is crossing 1 lakh. That is why it is going for the 4 levels. Okay. Now, how to release it? Click on display and change. Go to service entry sheet, release strategy. Click on release, release code L1. Save it. Now you can see here L1 is released. Again L2, L3, L4 has to release. Till that this is blocked. Display and change. Click on release L2. Let this band change. Release L3. Enter. Now we can see here what is the status of the release approval process. It is 3 levels are released till this is blocked. Okay. Click on this plan change. Click on this release icon L4. Enter. Now all the levels are released. Click on save. Once you save it, automatically background material document is created. And if you see the it is released. Okay, it is released. Now if you display the PO, you go to the purchase order history. The GRN is the material document is created. This is how you can create a release strategy for service entry sheet, and you can release it. So here, main thing is, one is how you are linking. That step is same as PR and PO release strategy. This is a class, and you have to link this class to your release strategy and the release code. This step is similar to the PR and PO we have to do for each and every level. And you have to maintain this one in each and every line. Without which your release strategy will not trigger. This is a step you have to do in CL24. And the important thing here in characteristics, in the additional data, the communication structure is CESSR and the field name for the value is LWR. That's all. Thank you.